Hello guys, this is Mohammad Ansari. Today I am going to show how to install iTunes in any laptop. Just open the Google and type in the address bar www.apple.com/iTunes/download www.apple.com/iTunes/download. The link is available in description. Just to hit the enter. Now this is the open iTunes download page. Just to navigate to below and you will get here download now option. Here just to hit enter. Just to press download now and the iTunes download setup will be downloaded. Here I have already downloaded. For it I am going to cancel this. After downloading, just to go to download page and open program. Here you will got iTunes setup. Just to press iTunes setup and setup will be being preparing to install, and a page will be pop up. You need to it manually do. Just press next and press install and press S. Just wait while the iTunes will be installed. File, updating component, copying file. I am elapsing the video. Do you want to allow the following program to install software on this computer? Just press S and status validating installation. After the installation complete, you will be guided through the installation. You know to the congratulations page will be pop up. Congratulations, iTunes has been successfully installed on your computer. Just press finish and this is the iTunes software license agreement. You need to agree this license and agreement. Just agree license. Wait some time, the iTunes will be open automatically. Now the iTunes is open. Just press agree here and this is your iTunes. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please share, like and comment. Just like video, just share the video and comment. What do you want to comment and comment.